sọ́ọ̀tún rárá tẹ̀ ó. Òtún rárá tẹ̀ ó. Wọ́n tẹ̀ ọ́ ní báwo tó rà.
Tell us your name.
My name is Diaspora.
Thanks. We have a few questions that people like to know about in Ifa initiation ceremony.
Okay.
First of all, we believe choosing Ifa is a journey beyond initiation. Can you please justify?
Yes, I would say in my definition, I would say choosing this far is more than just initiation. It's a journey of self-discovery whereby you get to know your true being, your reason for existence, should I say. And also, I believe Ifa is the mastermind behind every other initiation and Orishas. So Ifa to me is first class, uncompromisable, and you can't go wrong with it.
Thank you. Can you tell us the temple here for your initiation?
So the temple is Ifatoki's temple in based at Oyo.
Thank you. Thank you. So another question is, what did you have to unlearn before Ifa could truly teach you?
Okay, so when it comes to Isheshe generally, there's a lot of misconception whereby a lot of people have different ideas or ideologies of what the whole thing is all about. And I had to unlearn a lot, especially coming from a Christian background. I've had to do my own investigation, seek the truth for myself by digging deeper than what the media displays or what religion presents it to be. So yes, I had to unlearn a lot of things through research, through investment of my time, efforts, and I would say financially as well. You have to invest because if you want quality, you must be prepared to spend money. But that aside, I would say that a lot had to be unlearned. Like I said, generally as a race, should I say, my advice would be to do your own research, and even if you've heard a particular perception of something, do your own additional research, dig deeper than the surface, and I'm very, very sure that the deeper you go, the more you will be amazed that, okay, wow, this is not actually what it's portrayed to be outside.
Thanks. Ifa chose you, right?
Yes.
Why do you think you were chosen?
Um, I think I was chosen because Eledumare loves me. That's number one, and also Ifa loves to find the strays. When I say stray, in full context, whereby, like I said, I'm from a Christian background and Muslim, so still fairly new, although I've gone a bit deeper, but I've gained more insight of what my origin is. I've gained proper orientation of who I am. So if I chose me to come back home, to know me for me, not what the world defines me as, not what any religion barricades me to be, but for who exactly that I am. That is why I think if I've chose me.
Thanks. How has Ifa changed the way you see yourself, not just spiritually, but as a human being?
Okay. So Ifa has changed me in a lot of ways. It is very, very humbling, and it is very grounding. Ifa is, I would say, is a way of life. I'm sure you've heard this before. It's not just, a thing to do at your leisure time or when you wish. It's an actual way of life whereby there are rules and regulations, obviously, and there are guidelines to lead you and guide you in the right path of how to live your life according to the way of the Orishas and to please Olodumare. So yeah.
Okay, thanks. What was the hardest truth Ifa revealed to you?
Um the hardest truth I would say, a few actually, but like I said, it's a journey of self-discovery. So it revealed quite more than I expected. So it surpassed what I thought it would. So I don't know if I can say one of it, but yeah, um, it, it it's a lot that I can't actually pinpoint just one thing. It has it's been a very, very eye-opening experience for me. So, yes, like I said, it's a journey of self-discovery whereby
Thank you, Yanifa. What responsibility do you now carry that you didn't expect?
okay, so the responsibility that now dwells on me would be to carry on the legacy. And when I say legacy, to carry on, um, to carry on flying the flag of Isheshe and Ifa. It's not a thing that can be done on the ground. It's either you're in or you're out. And like henceforth, it's earlier on I said it's a way of life. It's like being born. It's not even like, I would say it's exactly, when you go for baptism and you're born again and they, tell you that you're born again, all things are has passed away. This is a new era, a new way of life, a new journey completely. And in fact, now the journey will make more sense. It will be more meaningful and more direct to the point, whereby there's no second guessing of what you should be doing or who you are. You know who you are, so you will definitely work towards that, towards aligning yourself with your divination and your Odu. So that is what I have learned.
After initiation, what really changed that people outside may not see?
Okay, so there's a lot. So as I mentioned earlier, that there's a lot of misconception whereby the media has a role to play in it as well. The should I say entertainment industry as well, especially the movie sector. There's a lot of errors. There's a lot of misrepresentation. So it is not what we're being sold out there. Ifa is not evil. Ishu is not devil. And I'm telling you for a fact that this path is the only true way that you can choose and you will not go wrong.
Thank you, Yanifa. So, what do you have to say to people that believe that the cost of initiation ceremony is very, very, very expensive? What I have to say to that?
Um, to be honest with you, I was part of them before. Um, this would be my second initiation. I, at the beginning, when you hear the price, yes, you may be a bit discouraged, but look at it this way. Um, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. You do not do it twice. And if you want quality, you must be prepared. Anything in life that, for instance, our cell phones, we've got varieties of cell phones. If you just want to make a call, hi, how are you? Okay, bye, text message, you can get the cheaper version. But if you want quality and you want the best, out of what you've bought, and you want to see the value, you will be prepared to spend more than the basic. And also, I think with initiation, any initiation, if people are paying millions, thousands, even in pounds and dollars, it is not cheap to go to Jerusalem. It is not cheap to go to Mecca. As even for a vacation to go to Dubai, you have to spend money. So and the Babalawos, they're all, although they're working for Olodumare and the Irumoles, but they are also human beings. And it's like you've gone to a foreign country and you seek their medical attention, you have to pay money. And it's either you have I think an health insurance. Even with the health insurance, you're still buying it with the money. You can buy the basic policy, or you can go for the more comprehensive one. So I think with that, it is worth it. Like I said, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. The money you spend now, you would definitely recoup in multiple folds. And yeah, it's amazing. It's worth it.
Yanifa, congratulations once again on your Ifa initiation
Thank
ceremony.
you.
Now, what will you say to someone abroad who feels called but still hesitating?
Okay, I will use myself as an example. So my Oluo has always, from the day one, he has always been very, very strong about me doing my Ifa initiation before any other initiation, but I chose to do my Osho initiation first. But he really, really emphasized on the importance, the benefits, the advantages of doing Ifa initiation. And at first, I wasn't sure because, again, there's a lot of misconception and misrepresentation. The idea that I had, that I was taught, was still in my head at that time. So I found it was hard to believe that, okay, is it true that, in my head, the picture I had was most likely there's going to be human blood sacrifice and all these, Nollywood stuff. And I had to, like I said earlier, I had to unlearn a lot of things through research, my personal research, and finding out, okay, even if I am to go into this thing, what am I going into? How does it work? How would it benefit me? What is the point of it? What's the purpose of it? So the first thing I would advise is to self-discovery. When you discover yourself, that is your Google map to everything else. And through self-discovery, you are ready to go all the way. And by going all the way, you you will go absolutely all the way. So do not be discouraged, and don't take what they've said. Don't take their word for it. Do your own research. Find your own path, and you won't regret it. Absolutely, you will not regret it. And also, just believe that the purpose, until you found your purpose, unfortunately, you just be going around in circles. So that's why I said first, the first thing to do is to discover yourself, find out who you are. And through that, it will navigate you towards the right path in your way of life. So thank you very much for having me. My name, once again, is Iyanifa Omolasho Uluwasho. I came all the way from London, UK. My Oluwo is Babalawo Awolowo Ifatoki. And our temple here is the Ifatoki temple based in Oyo. And my prayer to everybody watching, both home and abroad, is that Eledumare will bless us, guide us, and give us the tools to be able to follow the path, the right and proper way. And I pray that the true reward of following Ifa and the Irumoles will surely be with us now and forevermore. Thank you. Ashe. Thank you.
Lara